Alright, I'm just getting ready to set the rotors on here. And as you can see, I grease them pretty well. Probably over grease them really. But I also grease the seal area here. What I found out is if I don't do that, sometimes these things will squeal. They powder coat the entire assembly, including the part for the seal there. So I end up with them actually causing some noise, and I've had to take them apart. And the fix was to just smear a little grease on there. I'm going to go ahead and prep up this bearing here. So you want to really work the grease into there to start with. And these are lifetime lubricated. Once you get these done, I doubt you ever have to do them again. They should last, 100,000 miles or so. Plus there is minimal pressure on these. There's only about, realistically 300 pounds of weight per wheel, maybe just a little bit more than that. These are actually Mustang conversion kits is what these are. They work on Mustang 2, Chevy 2, Novas, and they're designed to eliminate the drum brakes. And it's a 2-inch conversion is what it is. A 2-inch drop, I should say 2-inch drop spindle conversion. So the spindle, instead of being down here, is up 2 inches. So it's more centered on the spindle. So that works out pretty good. When I tighten these, as you notice, I don't really tighten them much. That's about it. You don't want to over tighten the paper bearings, or you're going to end up with trouble. As these bearings get warm, they do tighten up. And the tighter they get, the warmer they get, and pretty soon you have a bearing failure. So you don't ever want to torque on these things. You just want to take out the play, and that's about it. And even putting the cotter key in here, there's a keyway here for the washer. You want the head of the cotter key in the opposite end. And there. So that locks it in place. And then you never want to pound on these caps directly, or you'll cave them in. So I got this tool I made, which is called a pipe coupling, which goes on very nicely. And there you go. So that sets them in place right there. And you got to get it on square, or it binds on the bearing. And that's good. So that one's all set. So I'm going to go ahead and set the brake calipers in here, get the wheels on this. I got the anti-sway bar, and then I'm ready for body panels. So that's going to be a big step. Next week at this time, this guy will be in the paint shop.